that I just recorded. Okay? But it's okay. So like I said, we out here in nature, man. We out here in nature. I keep it like this, because I don't know how I can turn around. I don't want to turn around. Got the water, man. But y'all can see, here we go. We out here in nature. So, let's roll.
I just saw something ran right by me, and it was a squirrel.
It's our first Fish Junkie video. I lost the first video. I don't know what happened, but that was crazy. So I don't know what happened with it, or where that video went to.
Here to it. Here.
Fuck. Get him there. Okay. Let's go. Oh, he actually out there. Look, y'all. We got somebody out here fishing. Look. He's actually in the water. And he's doing the wave fishing. You see him?
Can we go by her?
No. He's doing his thing. We gotta do our thing, okay? Yeah, he's wave fishing. No way to. Okay, so look. We got him over here. Can y'all see him? Can I make the video bigger? He's actually wave fishing out here, Fish Junkies. Y'all see him? Alright. I'm a camera. Gotta get the camera off me and get it on him. There you go. See him? It's wave fishing, Fish Junkie Nation. Hey, Fish Junkie Nation, we out here, man. Let's go.
Daddy, look at that guy. He got fish. He got fish on. He got fish on. He got fish on. See that he got fish on?
No, you don't.
Look, just saw a fish splash on him.
Hey, Lil, no, you don't, baby. Okay. You know what? I think it's a good spot right here to start. I want to start by the grass and throw my top water frog, okay? What are we going to do first? So, first off, let's set the camera up. Sit down, okay? Now, no, you can't have it. You can't have the pole. No pole. And this is why I got to give him a pole, y'all. Y'all see him? Because he's thinking that, you know, the pole is for him. Okay. Let's see. How do you turn this around?